My name is Chris Bennett. I'm with Cox Communications. We're here today to talk about Cox Private Networks. Cox Private Networks really has three core tenets of services. First is your wireless network extension. That's our point-to-point connection. To think of this as like microwave backhaul or an alternative to fiber, but next generation. We use something called 60 gigahertz and Teragraph. This is a mesh device that'll support many client radios. So this will connect up to 16. Then we have smaller single client radios that connect to something like this, creating a point-to-point mesh solution with high resiliency and redundancy. We also have our neutral host solution. This is Wi-Fi-like access point, but cellular. So it installs like Wi-Fi, has same Ethernet ports, PoE++ power, but then we can bring in AT&T, T-Mobile, and soon Verizon connectivity to support public cellular users. Now, great advantage of when you do that is then you can also turn on a private cellular connection, which means you can connect devices like these Zebra scanners over cellular, which is a SIM-based architecture. Most devices have two SIMs, a physical and an eSIM. This allows you to connect to those just like you would Wi-Fi, but you have greater mobility, you have greater range, and greater security.